Karl? Shouldn't you be at school?
Nah, I quit.
Oh, dear. Perhaps there's something else you'd like to do.
Nothing.
Come on. There must be something you'd like to do. Careful with those. That's library property. That's not how he reads scrolls.
No, Zippo, it's a game.
A game? Oh, can I play?
Sure. Okay, we're ready.
Now, what do I do?
You're at that end.
Right.
Now grab your bat.
Grab the bat.
Hold it like this.
Like this?
That's it. Mm-hmm. Okay, so you're clear about what happens when I hit the ball over the net.
I hit it back.
You've got no questions about the rules?
Nope.
Okay.
Oh.
1-0.
Yes. Hey. Oh, dear.
2-0. Try again, Zippo.
Just getting the hang of it.
Don't worry, Zippo. You'll get there.
I'm upset that Karl has left my class. Did I do something wrong?
No, it's not you. Karl quits just about everything. He doesn't know what he wants. I mean, I think I know. Sometimes. But sometimes I'm not so sure. You seem pretty sure what you're doing.
My mother's a matriarch. It's my destiny.
Is that what you want?
How can you want anything other than your destiny? You do ask the strangest things.
Well, suppose you don't know your destiny.
It knows you. You find each other. That's all.
Marion, if I...
Would you like to see the Prime Sunstone?
What? Sure. Yeah, I'd love to. Let's go.
Come on.
Great.
Here we go.
Very good. Nice.
Oh! That's it?
That's it.
How many points did I score?
None. 21-0. I win.
Well, I don't understand it. Usually I have excellent hand-to-eye coordination.
Oh, there you go.
When can we play again? I'm sure I'll be able to beat you at this game.
I can honestly say that humans will always beat dinosaurs at ping pong.
Oh, let's play again.
I creamed you.
Oh, but look, I don't mind. This is fun. I haven't had so much fun in a long time.
You know what, Zippo? Me neither. Big fast. Oh yeah, got ya.
We'll have to race. We've only got about 10 minutes. There's 361. Come on, David, I'll race you.
Slow down, I'm dying here.
Don't be silly. This is nothing.
Maybe for you it isn't.
Are you all right?
This is my asthma exam. I suppose they sell inhalers in Waterfall City. This is fantastic. I had no idea.
You don't have cities like this where you come from?
I think we're a lot farther up than I thought.
This is what powers the whole of Dinotopia. It's the most powerful sunstone ever found. It's almost flawless.
What are they doing?
Every evening, the Prime Sunstone regenerates all the other sunstones across Dinotopia. Come on, it's almost time. We can watch it from here.
So where do sunstones come from?
All we know is that they're very old. Legends say that they were mined from the world beneath at the beginning of time. They've been found all over Dinotopia, but not for many years.
Breathe deep.